Ooh, 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 ooh. Your AI concierge for spontaneous adventures. That's amazing. That's amazing. Today, I'm going to be doing a different type of video. And in this video, I'm not doing any Power Platform stuff or anything stuff. Why? Vibe coding.
Yeah, boy.
There's this idea of an app that I've had in my head for a while. And I just thought, you know what? Let me vibe code it today and see what I'm able to achieve. I'm not really big on planning social activities because I think when I plan them too much, I kind of start to play what's gonna happen in those activities in my head. I start to simulate. Like for example, if I planned that I was gonna go bowling tomorrow, I would have already lived the bowling experience before I even step into that bowling arena. So by the time I get to the bowling arena, it's like, you know, like I'm doing it again, which is now less exciting. So many times I want to go out, I want to do something fun, I want to go out for some activities. Maybe I've got a group of friends that want to go out too. Sometimes that happens, and then I really don't know what to do because I've not planned it, obviously. And I spend so much time planning up to the point where it now gets too late to even do many of the things that I should have done. And then, yeah, so the plan for this app is to help me with that problem that I have. I want to be spontaneous, but I also want to be at the point of my spontaneity. I want to get the options on the spot and spontaneously do them. I want this app to be able to ask the proper questions, right? Ask what the budget is, how many people, what they enjoy doing, stuff about their personality, and then search the arena where they live, so location, and then look for all the activities. So it's gonna use some APIs, look for all the activities around that area, right? And give them like an option of things that they can do. So it groups it into categories and all of that. So yeah, the app helps them to make decisions like, oh. And I plan to use Loveable for this one because I've seen a lot of good reviews about Loveable. So yeah, let's get right to it. So I think the first step is to go to ChatGPT because I want to be able to properly articulate my idea first. So that will come with me at least getting the proper prompt. So I'm just going to pour out all the things I've just told you now into this ChatGPT, and I will ask it to give me a proper prompt that I can then use for Lovable. Okay, so you are a business. So I've given the ChatGPT a role first, business analyst, or you are the best business analyst and product owner and manager ever. I want you to gather the list of I want you to use that skill to write a very detailed prompt that I will be using on Lovable 2.5 code. So I think that's it. Let me play this while it is thinking of the answer. So yeah, let's see. Final products, Lovable, itinerary generator app. Rubbish name. I need to ask AI to give me a good name. Give me a nice and catchy name for my app. Sponta. Oh yeah, I think I love this one. Oh lord. Vibe root. Planless. These are actually really nice name. Nice names. Out tonight. Wing it. Ooh. On the spot. Damn. Unplanned. Sponto. Yeah, Sponto. I see Sponto. Okay, this one is different. They do something else, so I can work with this one. So yeah, let's go to Loveable and start building our app. Let's take the prompts from ChatGPT. There's some things I want to change, but I'll change it in Lovable. Okay, app name Sponto. AI powered blah 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 blah, product review blah blah blah, especially. Okay, users often know their budget, sometimes they don't. I mean, that's the point of being spontaneous. And they desire to do something fun, but lack idea now. They are analyzing blah blah blah. Okay, I think every other thing is good. Okay, just from this prompt, let's see what we get, right? Invite your team. No, don't want to invite my team. Yeah, let's go. Reject none. Essential ones. Okay, let's see. Yeah, let's. Okay. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. You guys don't know how excited I am about this, because I've been thinking about this for the longest time. Like, I've been thinking about, oh, you know what? I need to build this app. It's a really big passion project for me. And I think there's so many people that are my clan that are like me that would like this application. So yeah. So you can see it's thinking. It thought for 16 seconds before it started to work. Imagine it thought for 16 seconds. Imagine describing all that to a software engineer, and he's telling you it's thought for 16 seconds and he has started building the app. You're gonna sack him immediately, because you'll be like, no, this guy can't be serious. But yeah, that's the power of AI. I should have put a timer. Wanted to see how long it takes to actually build an app like this.
One eternity later.
Okay, saying my app is ready. Ooh. Downtown tonight. Wow. Your AI concierge for spontaneous adventures. Tell us your vibe and we'll craft a perfect outing in seconds. Let's plan something amazing. CT. See. Leicester. Continue. When do you want to go? Right now? Let's go. What's your budget? No. How you say 100 to 250? Who's coming along? It's a solo. What are you in the mood for? Nightlife. Chill. Yeah. What's your energy level? These are actually good questions. Low key, how long do you have? Yeah, about 1 to 3 hours. What's your vibe? I love discovering new places and hidden gems. Yes. Yes. Okay. Like I can't choose more than one. Social butterfly. The more people, the better. Okay. Allow multiple selections. In what's your vibe? Okay, that's one note to take. Also, price dynamically. Oh yeah, price. Oh yeah, price in dollars is fine, actually. Generate itinerary. Finding best spots near you. Ooh. Okay. So I get there at 7 p.m. Oh, this already looks amazing, bro. This already looks amazing, I swear. And this is just from the first prompt. Yeah, this looks amazing. It's just obviously not connected to real-time data yet, but we're gonna fix that. It needs some certain APIs and all of that, but yeah. Man, I love this. Oh, you can actually share. So it's telling us what it's doing as it's doing it, which is good. Oh, I didn't even see the other parts of the screen. Wow. Yeah, I didn't see the other parts of the landing page. This is really dope. This is amazing, right? I don't even know. I'm just excited. I don't know if you guys will be as excited as me, but for sure, this like solves my problem, man. Do you know how many times I've typed into Google, like I'm just, I hate making small decisions, like what to eat, where to go, what to wear, things like that. Like it completely destroys my brain to do it. And I'm sure there are more people like me, and this is just gonna be the perfect solution for them. I mean, maybe might even just start working on something to decide what to eat today. What to eat today planner. It's gonna tell you everything to do. Yeah, this is looks like it's about to complete this. Okay, we're back online, baby. Okay, the app will now generate AI-powered itineraries based on the user preference for location APIs. Yeah, would you like me to add those integrations next? Okay. Now let me get Google API. Next step, I have to upgrade, obviously. Then I have to add the Google API, right? because I don't have free credits again, and I need credits to keep building. I have to add the Google API, and then I have to. Okay, there's an error here. I need to fix the error. Yeah, so those will require me to pay money, but I don't actually mind if it solves a problem for everyone and for me in particular. But yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Yeah, so I'm back now. So I had to stop yesterday because I needed to go out for some spontaneous activities. But yeah, so I'm back now. Where we stopped last night, we had to add like a locations API, so it could be Google Places or Yelp. I checked Google Places, but the pricing was a bit high, and I thought, you know what, we don't really need some of the features on the Google Places API. So I looked for a cheaper one, and I saw I tried Yelp, but I don't think people use Yelp a lot in the UK. I'm not sure, but I think TripAdvisor is one that is quite, it's got more broader use across different countries. So I decided to go for TripAdvisor's API key or API integration, and I've just gone to TripAdvisor's site. All I've done is that TripAdvisor API, gone into their site, registered with my account, added my credit card. You can see 0 to 5,000 requests cost 0, and 5,000 to 2,000. So it's quite, affordable. So yeah, I don't mind paying that. But Google's API was about $100 per month, and I didn't really look at I've always known Google API is quite expensive. I'm not sure, but anyways, this is just a test for now. If I'm not getting good results with TripAdvisor, then I might switch to Google API eventually. But for now, I think this would work. There was one part that was acting funny with the text. I just want to get a screenshot of that part again. And then I've also written down some things that I want to add to some features, because right now there's no login feature, and there isn't a lot of other stuff. So I want to add some stuff to it. Loki. Yeah, need to get my yeah, exactly. Oh shit. Okay, that's what I was looking for. So that part where there's like different texts on top of each other, I want to change that. And then I've written some other stuff that I've written down some other stuff that I want to change or I want to add, like I said. So just gonna copy from my notepad, paste it in here. Okay, please add the locate. Oh wait. Okay, so please add location images to the activities. Okay, yeah, then need to put this one first because that's where the image is. There looks to be text on top of each other on the screen, in the screenshot. Okay, please add location images to the activities. Right before the recommendation asks user to sign in. Yeah, allow them sign, create username and password, or use social media like Gmail to sign up. Okay, make sure you remember historical recommendations so you don't keep recommending the same set of activities or places to the same user. Yeah, that's good one. That's a good one. Also, the user should be able to log in to their dashboard and see previous recommendations. Okay. What else? What other feature? I think that's what I can. Well, once I think of something else, I'm gonna come back here and add it. But let's do this one for now. Okay. Okay, what's happening? Okay, still thinking. It's doing something in the background. Okay, it's thinking. Okay, it's working it out. Modify database. Allow. Implement it. Why is he asking me for access to a database that it built? That's you. You built that database. Why are you asking me for access? Of course. Modify. Outer table. Okay, this, so that's some SQL queries to create table and do some other stuff. Allow them to create the necessary components parallel. Okay, cool. Create trigger. Updated. Oh, okay. And this is some interesting SQL queries. Okay, still done. A bunch of stuff. Okay, done. I've implemented crystal feature, fixed test on loading screen. Show submit. Okay, added location images to activities. Nice. Added authentication, email, blah blah blah. Okay. Alright, let's do this for now. Yeah, let's go Since to enable Google sign in, I need to configure it in the backend. So I'm gonna ignore that for now. Right now, okay, just me. Chill, low key, 3 hours. Okay, and this. Okay, I can skip for now. Cool. I didn't even tell you to do the skip for now one, but guess that works for now. Almost ready for your adventure. Adventure. Dope. Okay, there's pictures now.
Oh my god!
Okay, not everyone has a picture, but I guess this works. Cool. Vocal Lester. This is dope. Yeah, for sure. This is dope for sure.
Yeah, boy.
I need to create an account first. Okay. Okay, let's do it again. Use my location. Continue. Right now. Continue. Solo. Okay, let's do the group one again. 6. Continue. Nightlife. Chill. Continue. Moderate. 3 to 6 hours. Yeah. So let's go. Okay, because I've got an account, it's not, asking me for anything. So it's not telling me to sign in or anything or sign up. Cool. So let's see what we got. Yep. Man, to be honest, I feel like this keeps recommending the same thing every time. But you know what? I ain't mad at it. Save. Did it save? I might just swap the TripAdvisor with Google Map API. I think that would give me a better range of activities and then pictures too. But yeah, aside that, I think this is ready to go. I think this is ready to go. Yup. Always vocal. Midnight. Okay. Oh, it's actually not the same thing. So there's escape room challenge. Didn't even know that. Okay, nice. So yeah, I think that's it. But yeah, this save is still not working, and yeah, let me see if I start over and go back. Do I see? Oh yeah, he actually saved. Oh, but I can't click on the okay, gonna put another note in the users dashboard. They can't click the itinerary to expand it. On location, 3 activities planned. Yeah. Let me take a screenshot of this. I should be able to click this once to see any of the tabs. But I can delete it. Let's see, I think. Let's see. Okay, that's good. See, even added this. Yeah, that's really dope. Down your face, adventure. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it, man. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys something dope. This is gonna be continuous. If I keep recording, then just probably gonna record for life, because obviously a product needs to keep improving. You're gonna get more features you want to add to it. You're gonna find bugs when people start using it. You keep iterating and keep building and keep doing stuff. You never stop building a product, to be fair. So, but at least I think I have what I would call an MVP. Again, back to the basis of this entire video. Just imagine how long it would have taken if I had this idea and I had to put a group of, product designer, product manager, software engineer, front end, back end, probably a project manager, get them to work and deliver this. It would have taken, depending on how skilled the people you've employed are or how much money you've put into it. It can take anything from like 3 months to maybe 3 years, to be fair. I mean, I've seen way less complicated projects like this that have taken up to 3 years. So don't think, and you probably will not even get something as good as this. But right now I've spent almost $0, like $0, and in under, I think cumulatively maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour, and I have got minimum viable products that I can show to an investor, for example, or I can use to test the market and see if people really think my big great idea makes sense, or if people actually feel it, or people actually think it helps them or it solves a problem for them. Because then imagine you've paid all that entire team, they've spent maybe 1 year building a product, they've given you an MVP, you've entered the market with your MVP, and then realized that it's not such a great product, so you've just wasted 1 year of your life. But now you can quickly build something, test the market throws it back at you, move on to something else, But yeah, so those are some of the benefits that I think that we just need to look at and see. And but yeah, thank you very much. Again, it's Jide Fajike, and I just do stuff with AI. Thank you.